Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well, and welcome to another video. So, very quick video today then. I just want to show you something which I recently fabricated, which significantly enhances my driving experience in the camper van. So the camper van then is a minibus. It's a Ford Transit minibus, extra long wheelbase, extra high roof, perfect for somebody, you know, a big guy like myself, 6'4", 17.5 stone, plenty of space. Although it does have an armrest, it's a bit small, it's not that comfortable. There we go, look. So this thing here, look, you know, you push it up and down, it locks into place. Yeah, not uncommon for an armrest, is it? Anyway, so look, when I'm driving then, I tend to find that because I've got long limbs, it doesn't really offer that much support, you know, and it comes to literally just beyond my elbow. And likewise on the doors, they're too low for me. So anyway, I got my old thinking cap on, and I knew that I wanted to try to improve the armrest, and I was just trying to figure out the best way to do it. And then I had an epiphany. I went to Wickes, a local hardware store, and I bought some downpipe, you know, the sort of downpipe that goes from a gutter along your roof. And this is what I ended up with. So as we can see, this is a long rectangular item. It's been cut to size. It's hollow, isn't it? So that slides over the armrest. Now you can see that it's curved. You've got this curved bit here, look, which enables it to slip nicely onto the armrest. In fact, let's take this off here, look. So it's significantly longer, as we can see, than the existing one. And all you do basically, just slip it over there, give it a bit of a push, and that is absolutely fantastic. Look at that, look. So all this cost me then was a price of a, I think it's 2.4 metre long piece of downpipe. So what I did then, shaped it, obviously, measured it, shaped it, and used some of this material, which is the same material from one of these seats. Basically, there were 17 seats in this camper van. I've still got quite a few of them, but I threw a couple away, and I decided to use some of the material on the seats. I still got quite a bit left, but anyway, what I did, I cut it to size, and I used some double-sided tape and a hot melt gun to fix this stuff in place. So, you know, I'm not saying it's going to win any competitions for beauty or anything like that. However, it's fit for purpose and it works an absolute treat. Now this, the size of this, it's about 75 by 75. That's the width of this thing, so it's square. And I say, just a case of cutting it down, measuring up and cutting down to size, and then folding the material over. Now I did hold some of this stuff in place initially using some double-sided tape, and then I just got the glue gun and just glued everything else in place. Now some of the glue, I scraped it back, I put too much in, so I just got a permanent marker, a black permanent marker, and just coloured it in. So anyway, look, that is an absolutely excellent addition to the camper van. You know, it doesn't look untoward. I mean, certainly when you look at it, that you can see that, you know, this is a DIY jobby, but it does the job, and it's perfectly fit for purpose, and it really does give me something nice and comfortable to rest my arm on. So on the door then, we've got something similar. Now this again is made from the same downpipe, cut to size. We can see that I've had to shape it just there, look. So this bit here, look, I basically just used a piece of plastic, bent it over and then just glued it into place just here. Put a couple of layers of this stuff on here, look. Folded it over, and yeah, it's got a bit of a, it has a bit of a contrasting pattern, look, on that side, because I didn't want to waste any of this fabric, so I thought I'd put that on there instead. Job's a good one.